The ESC Framework is a strategic and iterative process that leverages a community's values to address its challenges while providing context to the challenges and the technology needed to address them. A strong community feedback loop built into every step of the framework allows relevant stakeholders to engage, allowing municipalities to implement ethical, sustainable, and inclusive solutions for their communities. The framework is broken down into 5 steps, and each step is accompanied with a selection of tools curated to facilitate the co-creation process. Starting at the know step, municipalities and their communities generate a shared understanding of ethics and identify and evaluate other municipalities they can learn from and use as benchmarks. Next, in the personalized step, municipalities create a shared understanding of prioritized values, relevant changes, and appropriate technologies for a community while also evaluating their limitations. In the strategized step, strategic goals for your ethical smart city plans are generated based on the values, challenges, and technology appropriate to the community. Municipalities then evaluate the potential impact by forecasting possible scenarios based around these goals. In the design step, municipalities shift from abstract ideas to tangible solutions, including ideation, testing, and iteration. Planning the implementation of potential solutions and project ideas requires that various prototypes be co-created and tested with the community to develop viable and desirable designs. Finally, in the adapt step, the lessons learned from prototyping and testing are adapted into implementation and project plans. The adapt step is the practical accumulation of everything that has been developed, from know to designed, and as such, it's the culmination of the knowledge gained through public engagement. Once the 5 steps are completed, the lessons learned from implementing the projects are fed back into the first step to establish the ethical baseline for future projects. With ethics at the forefront of development, the voices and essence of communities can be represented in their cities. To order or download our playbook and to find relevant tools for implementing our ethical smart city framework, go to ethicalsmartcity.com. By actively listening to a community's needs and collaboratively uncovering appropriate technologies, cities can help address their most difficult challenges.